mole concept. Now we will discuss the numerical based on the mole concept. The numerical which is based on mole concept definitely going to come in your exam, students. So please stay tuned and pay attention here. Here mole concept we have talked about a little bit and in the previous video, and we discussed that this 1 mole is equals to 0.6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particle, and this number is denoted by n naught, and this number has been invented and formulated by the scientist Avogadro. Very big name he was having, but we know the scientist with the name Avogadro. So with in the respect of his invention, we know the number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 as Avogadro number, and it is denoted by n naught. Okay, so please don't forget it. Now the types of numericals we'll get from mole concept is the first one, finding the mole from the mass. Finding the mole from the mass is what? Finding the number of moles with the given mass of particular atom or molecule, anything. Okay, so here the question is to find the number of moles in 52 grams of helium atom. So 52 grams of helium atom. So there is a little structure and the formula is given to find the number of moles when mass and molar mass is given. Okay, so the formula is what? The number of moles is given by small n, which is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass, which is mass of the atom, mass of the molecule given, and which is denoted by small m, and the molar mass is denoted by capital M. So this mass is given 52 grams. The mass is given 52 grams, and we know that the molar mass of helium atom is what? 4 grams. 4 grams. So it is what? 4 grams. Then gram, the units will get cancelled to give us 13 gram. 13 number of moles we will get when in 52 grams of helium. Easy? When the mass of any atom or molecule will be given, then it's become very easier to find the number of moles in that. Now the number of moles in 52 grams of helium is 13. 13 mole of helium atoms are present in 52 grams of helium. Now another type. Second type is finding mole from the number of particles. That means we know that 1 mole is equals to that Avogadro number of particles, 6.22 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. But if the number of particles is given for a particular atom or molecule, then how to find the number of moles? Then here is also structure and formula is given that number of moles can be found as finding the ratio of the given number of particles upon Avogadro number of particles. Given number of particles and Avogadro number of particles, which is equal to what is given number of particles? 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of helium atoms. Now these many helium atoms, how many moles are present there? So 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon, this is Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. This will get cancelled. You can observe this will 6.022 will multiply 2 times to have this one. So this 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So it is actually 2 moles. So these many particles, these many atoms of helium will have 2 moles. Okay. Now let us move to the another type of numerical. Now the third type. Third type is what? Mass from mole of molecule. Mass from mole of molecule or atom, anything. Here molecule is given. So 0. The question is find 0.5, calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas, we know we have to find the mass of 0.5 mole. 0.5 mole. That means the half of it, half mole of nitrogen gas. We know that, and number of mole is equals to mass upon molar mass. Mass upon molar mass. So this mass we have to get it. Molar mass we know definitely from the atomic number or the atomic mass of nitrogen we can get the molar mass of nitrogen. So here the mass will be equal to number of moles that is given and the molar mass. Number of mole is 0.5 and the molar mass of nitrogen is the gram atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Here 2 atoms of nitrogen. So 14 into 2, 28. 14 into 2, 28. So if you find it, so the value will be 14 grams. Value will be 14 grams. So half mole of nitrogen gas is 14 gram mass. Okay. Now the fourth type. Type 4 is calculate the mass of the following. Mass of mole of atom. Mole of atom. Now if the atom will be given, here 28 is the molecular mass, gram molecular mass of nitrogen, and the gram atomic mass of nitrogen will be 14. So here in place of 28, 14 will be there. Okay. So the next type is when finding the mass when the number of particles is given, that is mass from number. Mass from number. Now the number of particles, we know that number of particle is given 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of nitrogen atoms. Number of nitrogen atoms. So since we know that number of moles is equals to number of particles upon Avogadro number. So say we can find the mass. Mass is equals to m upon here we have got this mass is equals to n into m. So n is what? N upon n naught into the mass, that is molar mass of the given atom or the molecule. Okay. So n is given this. So 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon our Avogadro number 6.022 into 23 raised to 10 raised to the power 23 into molar mass of gram atomic mass of nitrogen, which is 14. We know that. So here you can see 10 23 10 raised to the power 23 will get cancelled, and here 3 2s are, it will go. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, so definitely 2 we will have, and now this 2 7s are 14. So 7 mass of the nitrogen atom we will get 7 grams. Mass of nitrogen atom in these many particles. If these many particles of nitrogen atom, we will get the mass of nitrogen atom is 7 grams. Okay, that means the half of its gram atomic mass. Okay, so this is the type. Now the next is now calculate the number of particles in each of the following. Means now we have to calculate the number of particles. Now n we have to find it out. the type 5. Type 5. Similarly, type 5 can be here also if N2 or any molecule can be here. In the same way, we can find the number of mass of the given molecule if the number of particles of that molecule will be given. Okay. Now here the number of particles, find the number from the mass. Number from mass. This is the number from mass. Now the finding number of particles from given mass. Now it is given 46 gram of nitrogen. 46 gram of nitrogen. Question is 46 gram of sodium atom. Sodium atoms. We have to find the number of particles in 46 gram of sodium atom. We know that M is equals to N upon, number of mole is equals to N upon N naught. So N will be what? N will be, this N will be N into N naught. N into N naught, since we have to find the number of particles from mass. Molar mass will get of sodium and the the given mass of the sodium is also we have. So here N is also what? Mass upon molar mass. So mass upon molar mass, since after combining these two formulas we have got mass like this. So number of particles also here same in the same way. So this N can be replaced with mass upon molar mass into N naught, which is our Avogadro number. So mass is what? It is the given mass, and molar mass of sodium is what? 23 grams. Molar mass, that is a sodium atom, no? So the gram atomic mass will be the molar mass of sodium. It is N naught, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So here gram definitely it will cancel each other, the units will cancel out. Now here it is 2 times it will go, 3 2s are 6, 2 times. So 23 2 times it will give us 46, and now it will be multiplied. So 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. 23 particles, number of particles in 46 gram of sodium atom. Now if the mass of any atom will be given, we can find the number of particles present in it. How many number of particles are there in 46 gram of sodium atom? So in this way we can find it out. If the molecule will be given, so here in the molar mass we will have to put the gram molecular mass of that molecule. So in this way these type of numericals we will come across in the exam, and definitely now I know you can solve these type of questions when you will have in exam. Thank you so much.